Look, when it comes to your style, I would say there's about, 6 areas in a man's style that every man, even including myself, we all need to improve and can improve to make ourselves look more stylish. Let's hop into this. Number 1, your color palette. Look, I'm talking about myself and all of us. You gotta be a realist, right? How many of us are stuck wearing neutrals, right? Your grays, your beiges, your blacks, your whites. It's so easy to wear these colors. And by the way, I'm not telling you to stop wearing these colors because they're amazing, but it's time to upgrade our color palette. It's time to start adding some color and add the appropriate color for our skin type and for the season. I'm telling you, it's gonna bring a fresh, new kind of vibe to your fits that's gonna make you more stylish. Number 2, your fit. Again, I had to have this hard realization with myself about 2 years ago where I was just like, I'm uncomfortable, right? These jeans are the same jeans my wife could be wearing. There is no reason why your fit should be so skin tight I can see your muscle. And thank God we are in a fashion cycle where we're cycling out of those tight European fits and going back into those 80s and 90s fits. And I'm telling you, this isn't going anywhere. This is gonna be here to stay for the next 5 to 10 years, mark my words. Bookmark this video. I'll see you in 5 years. See if I'm wrong. I'm telling you, we're going back to those classic cuts and I want you to make that upgrade. Start with one piece, see how you feel. I'm telling you, that airflow and relaxation your boys are gonna feel, they're gonna thank me for it. Number 3, having more accessories. Look, accessories are great. Your watches, your bracelets, your rings, your necklaces, man. Accessories can level your fits up, and this is one of those areas men aren't taking advantage of. And one of the best accessories in the game, and I've said it time and time again, and I'll stick to it. I started a whole company because I thought it was the best accessory. Glasses. We can sit down and argue this all day long. Just think about it. Glasses, they have the functionality. For summer, they'll protect your eyes against the heat, right? They have the style. Glasses is a style accessory, so when you throw it on, you look more stylish. They also structure your face. So because the glass is a perfectly structured piece, it gives the illusion that your face is more balanced and structured. Okay, quick cut. Tomorrow, our collection for Jade Black is dropping, so don't even buy the stuff that we have now. It's super sexy, but I want you to get your hands on the new stuff. Bro, look at these new geometric blue lights. Come on. You're telling me this accessory is not gonna improve your style? It's not gonna improve one of your areas? Your features all of a sudden look 10-10, all because your boy designed 10-10 frames and they're dropping tomorrow. Pro members are shopping today, which means they're going ham. These took months to get in, and it's probably gonna take another 6-7 months to get inventory in, which means if you don't get your hands on a pair tomorrow, you're gonna miss out. Bro, put that reminder on your phone. You gotta be the first one there. And don't forget, we also do free shipping and free returns. Back to the video. Number 4, wearing the right footwear. See, too many guys are too one-dimensional. Most guys stick to one shoe, right? Like, if they like Air Force Ones, they will buy Air Force Ones till they die. But I would say 90 to 95% of guys do wear different designs, but they're almost always sneakers, right? You're so one-dimensional. You're only wearing one style of footwear, when as a guy, to expand your style, you need to start developing that. Start investing in boots. Start investing in leather shoes. Start investing in lace. Start investing in loafers. Bro, loafers are trending hard right now. I want you to get out of that one-dimensionality and start trying different footwear options because I promise you it'll level up your style. Number 5, it's your body. See, for the most part, almost always, a healthier body type will look better in clothing. I literally just did a video living like an obese person or an overweight person for a day. It was horrendous. I'm gonna be honest with you. The struggle of carrying an extra 300 pounds on your body, insane. And I'm a fit dude. I'm a pretty strong dude in the gym. Carrying that weight all day, horrendous. More important, finding style pieces and things that actually fit my frame with all that extra volume, impossible. Like, it is impossible because most designers aren't designing for that body type, which limits you into what styles you can actually buy.
I look like a substitute teacher.
So not only are you not finding the right clothes, the clothes that you do find that designers do decide to design on you is out of trend, out of style, and it fits horribly on you. This is why investing in your health, eating right, going to the gym is the best thing you can do for your style. And finally, number 6, it's your personal hygiene, your grooming. Again, you got to understand your hairstyle, your skin, how you smell. This is all part of your aesthetic, part of how you carry yourself. You investing in that now will level up your style so you walk around like a confident, attractive dude anywhere you go. And that's basically it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out Jade Black. They're going to be linked down below as well. That's it for your boy. See you next time.